NBA result December 2, 2024. Orlando Magic minagic ang Brooklyn Nets 100-92. Si Franz Wagner uli ang bida na may 20 points, 9 rebounds, 8 assists. Grizzlies nilapa ang Pacers 136-121. Si Jalen Jackson Jr. umiscore ng 25 points, 8 rebounds. Toronto Raptors sinunog ang Miami Heat 119-116. Si RJ Barrett ay umiscore ng 37 points, 7 rebounds at 5 assists mga idol. New York Knicks tinalo ang New Orleans Pelicans 118-85. Si Mikal Bridges ay umiscore ng 31 points, 4 rebounds. Samantala si Kyle Anthony Towns ay umiscore ng 14 points at monster 19 rebounds.
Wow!
Nirisbakan ang Boston Celtics 115-111. Donovan Mitchell ay umiscore ng 35 points, 7 rebounds, 3 assists. At Houston Rockets tinalo ang number 1 team na Oklahoma City Thunder 116. Si Fred VanVleet ang namuno na may 38 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists mga idol. Lakers tinalo ang Utah Jazz 105-104. Si Anthony Davis ay umiscore ng 33 points, 12 rebounds. Si LeBron James naman ay nagdagdag ng 27 points, 5 rebounds at 14 assists. Sumubok sa 3 points ang Utah Jazz pero nadepensahan ni Anthony Davis at LeBron James. Sacramento Kings tinalo ng San Antonio Spurs 127-125. Si Victor Wembanyama umiscore ng 34 points, 14 rebounds, 11 assists, triple-double si Wembanyama. Dallas Mavericks tinalo ang Trail Blazers 137-131. Nagbabalik si Luka Doncic, umiscore ng 36 points, 7 rebounds, 13 assists. Samantala si Kyrie Irving ay hindi naglaro. Los Angeles Clippers panalo kontra Denver Nuggets 126-122. Si James Harden almost triple-double, 39 points, 9 rebounds, 11 assists. Samantala nasayang ang triple-double ni Nikola Jokic, 28 points na may 14 rebounds, 11 assists. Yun lang muna mga idol. Thanks for watching mga katribo.